In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover Instagram account without email or phone access. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and try to do so. First is going to be by opening the Instagram application. And let's just say I want to go ahead and log in. Let me just try to go to another account. All right. And now in this page where you have to simply enter your username and password, click on forgotten password. Then you'll need to go ahead and enter your username here. So not your email or your phone access, but simply your username. And once you've done so, you can simply go ahead and click on continue and then go ahead and find your account by your number. And you can also click this, I think my account is hacked, and then it will show you which account. Click on continue on the account that you want to simply go ahead and have access to. And as you can see, you can change your password right over here if it is the device that you've previously logged in your account with. So it is as simple as that. If that doesn't work, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Instagram mail, just like that, and simply go ahead and copy this mail right over here, which is @mail in Instagram or @mail.instagram.com, and simply go ahead and write your problem in a brief mail. So explain them why or how your account might have possibly gotten hacked, and what your name was previously after the hacker has changed it or not, and so on. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.